But it's
I'm
matching.
happy.
It's matching, right?
Huh?
It's matching, right?
Yeah, pretty much. I did a big one, then I did a small one. Big one, small one.
It's good.
Then right here though, big one, small one. But I was doing this and I didn't realize it was Hi everyone, this is Snowflake Crochet here with a new tutorial for you. This one is the Sun Chaser Tote. It features the raffia yarn and a cute detail leather straps. I will link the tutorial for how to attach your straps. You could check out that video. It will be in the top right hand corner. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so after you gather your supplies, you're going to form a slip knot and we're going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, after you chain 9, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, which is here. After you single crochet in the second chain, you're going to single crochet in all the remaining chain spaces. Okay, and just a quick little poll for you guys. I want to make sure that I am making it for the right audience. Right now, I believe that most of my subscribers are very beginner crocheters, but if you click that eye in the upper right hand corner of this video, it will have a little poll where it will just ask you your level of crocheting. So just answer that beginner, intermediate, or advanced. That way I'll know how deep I should be going into my tutorials. Okay, so after you single crochet in all the remaining chains, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the last chain space, you're going to crochet 2 additional single crochets. So 1, oops, 2, and then you're going to crochet at the bottom of the next 7 7 single crochet stitches. So starting right here. And what I like to do is I like to hold the end of my slip knot onto that area. That way I'm weaving it in as I go, because weaving in raffia is not fun. Okay, so that's just a tip. If you could weave in as you go, especially with this material, you'll save yourself some headache. Okay. All right. Oh my God. Alrighty. So it should look like this right now. Okay. So next thing that you're going to do is you're going to turn and then chain 3. This will count as your first double crochet, and then you're going to double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Okay, now in the next 3 single crochet stitches, you're going to crochet 4 double crochet in each. Okay, that means in those next 3 stitches, you should have a combined of 12 double crochets. Okay. So next one, you're going to put 4. Let's speed this up. After that, you're going to just put 1 double crochet in each of the next 7 stitches, or each of the last 7 stitches. The work should start looking like this. So row 3, you're going to turn and chain 4. This chain 4 counts as your first double crochet and a chain 1 space. So you're going to skip 1, then you're going to double crochet, then you're going to chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, then you're going to repeat that one more time, where you're going to chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, and then you're going to chain 1, double crochet, and you're going to do this 12 more times. Let's speed this up. If you put a stitch marker where the first repeat started, that way it's easier for you to keep track of how many you have left. Just a little tip. You're going to chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. So here's another way. You should have, when your 12 additional double crochets, repeats end, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces remaining. Okay, or 6 stitches, sorry. and that's when you'll start the chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, and you'll repeat that twice. So chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the third chain of the chain 3. Okay. Yeah, so this is pretty much what I wanted to show you guys, just basically how to start it. The pattern will have everything else that you need, specific instructions for each row, as well as how many stitches you're supposed to have for each row. I also wanted to touch base on finishing up on the design. So I have a piece here that I'm working on. I'm going to zoom out so that you can see. So I'm on the last row, and what's going to happen when I reach the end of the last row, which is like here, the stitch is going to end here, you're not going to cut off, you're just going to turn your work, and the single crochet that I'm referring to for the top will start at that point, and you'll single crochet along the top. I will link a video in the top right hand corner of this video of a quick and easy way of how to get the right amount of stitches for an area without having to take it out multiple times. So make sure you go and check that out. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Also want to show you how to do a strap if you're using the raffia instead of the leather. And if we take the strap out the way for a minute, you'll reattach your yarn. Here. Sorry. I like to reattach it by forming a slip knot. Now go. Let's chain 3, and then in the next space we would double crochet. Get a little bit closer for you guys. Double crochet again. And I would personally want my strap, if it was raffia, to be, I think, 4 double crochet wide. I think that would be comfortable for me. You can make it 3 or 2, whichever one you want. So I'll do 4, and then all you do is just keep turning, doing the same thing, chaining 3, and then double crocheting in each of the double crochet stitches. And you'll just keep doing that until it reaches the length that you desire. Once it's reached that length, you'll be able to go around and over to the other side, and then you'll be able to slip stitch it on to these stitches that match the opposite end. I hope that this helped you start the pattern. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the Facebook group, which I'll link down below. Also, make sure that you follow me on all my social, because I'll be doing a lot of fun summer giveaways. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!